Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can set any photo as a home screen widget, how we can set our favorite photo into the home screen widget. So let's start without any problem. Let's proceed. So the very easy and the simple process will be to just open the Photos app, and let's assume you have to select that photo which you want to apply as a home screen widget. So let me apply this photo. So I want to apply this photo as my home screen widget. So what I need to do, just simply click on share button and now swipe up and click on add to album. And now here you have to create a new album, and you can rename it, like I'll give it my name, and click on save, and that's it. Now just jump back to home screen. Almost your 50% task is done. So just long press on your home screen and tap on this plus icon on the top left hand side corner. So let me do that again. Tap on that plus icon. Now find here Photos app here. So Photos app will all the way down. So let me swipe up. So just swipe up and you will see Photos here. So just select one. So just click on Photos and do not add that featured section here. Now open the album section. Here you can select the size which you want to apply as a widget. So I'll go for the smaller one. You can choose the size you want to add. So now after choosing, just tap on that icon and tap on favorite section here, and again select your album name which you have renamed it. Okay, so I have named it as my name, so I'll select this one as my name's album. So there we go, and now this photo will be set as a home screen widget. So this is the very simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Try subscribing to my channel please.